This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Thanks to this site here that we've never talked about before that will allow you to make money on complete autopilot. And since I will show you multiple bonuses near the end of the video, make sure you keep watching so you don't miss any of them. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so today guys, I have a really good strategy to make some good money online passively for you. And the very first site you want to go to and the site that will be paying us today is this one here called Zotrim.com. Now what this site is can be seen immediately when you come on their homepage. They're selling products for weight loss. Now with that said, you can read more on the page, see some details on what they're selling, but obviously since we aren't here to lose weight, but rather make money, the details are basically irrelevant. All you need to know is that this website sells products for losing weight. Now the way we will make money on here is through promoting the same products, so we will want to promote them as affiliates indeed. But as soon as you will find out, this site has some awesome features regarding their affiliate program that make them absolutely perfect for making money as an affiliate. With that said, to access their affiliate program, scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on affiliate program right here. And by the way, right here you can see it says fast and reliable worldwide shipping. Now this is very important information because I know many of you aren't from North America or Europe. So this shows that it is a worldwide available platform, and while it isn't 100% guaranteed, chances are it will work in your country. With that said though, let me now go over some of the features of Zotrim affiliate program, because I did say before it is perfect for affiliates. Now as far as how much money you'll be making, as you can see here, it's up to $40 per sale. Now they do have different products, so some pay more, some less. But it's safe to say you will earn around $30 most of the time per sale, which is a lot. If you think about it, 100 people making purchases would be $3,000 made and can go up to $4,000 as well. So this does have a lot of potential for you to get paid. But wait, we're only getting to the best part about this site's affiliate program. If you scroll down here, you'll be able to see the average sales price of a product, which as you can see is $60. And to the right of that, the conversion rate. Now for those of you who don't know a conversion rate, it is the percentage of people that access the sale page of a product and buy it. So if 300 people visited the sales page and 50 of them made a purchase, the conversion rate would be 15%. Now check out the conversion rate here. It's 22%. That may not seem like a lot, but it's actually insanely high. As you can see, the average conversion rate of a product is mere 2%, while the conversion rate for Zotrim's product is literally 10 times higher. This means, guys, that you don't need to refer that many people on here to make loads of money. Just do some quick math. If you were for just 100 people here, on average, you would get 20 sales since the conversion rate, as I said, is 20%. That in total means you can make up to $800. So if you refer 200 people on average, you would make $1,600. 300 people referred is over $2,000 already. And I will show you traffic sources where you'll be reaching hundreds of thousands of people, not just dozens of them. So you'll be able to make a lot of money online, and so make sure you stick around to know exactly what they are. With all of that said, to sign up to Zotrim's affiliate program, you will want to click right here. This will now take you over to a different website, and it's here where you will actually sign up. All you got to do from here is click on I'm an affiliate, and from there you'll see that to join you just need to enter in your first and last names, email address, your password, and that's it. So they don't ask too much info in order to be able to join our program. When you enter all of that data, simply click on join here to finish the process and grab that affiliate link. Now with all of that done, let me show you where to get traffic. So the first traffic source I'd recommend is a site called findaforum.net. As the name suggests here, you can find a bunch of different forums related to just about anything. And since we want to promote a weight loss product, you want to click on categories here and then select dieting and weight loss. You will now be able to see all these different forums, and all of them have literally hundreds of thousands of members. And each and every one of them are those people who are interested in weight loss, meaning they will be interested in Zotrim here. And what you can do is tell them stuff like, this is the best way to lose weight, this helped me lose weight, and so on and so forth. You can also read more about Zotrim's weight loss products on their homepage and just talk about them on these forums. And then leave your affiliate link here, and since these forums have so many members, it's guaranteed that someone will check out the product in question, and when they do, there's a high chance they will purchase it, thanks to that high conversion rate that earn you $40 per single sale. Now, as I said, that's only the first traffic source. The second one you can guys use is called Quora.com. For those of you who don't know this, it is a site where people can come and ask a question, and they will then get answers from members of the site. And the main reason we want to use Quora is simply because it's popular and it ranks well in Google. So when someone searches on Google for how to lose weight, there is a high chance Quora will be one of the first sites to pop up. Now, what you will want to do in Quora is search for how to lose weight like myself, and you will now come across a bunch of these questions which you will want to answer. You can perhaps go on Google and see some of the best ways to lose weight and write that in the answer. And what you can then do is say something in between the lines like, this product helps me lose weight and I would highly recommend it. And then you would want to leave your affiliate link next to that. In this fashion, you'll want to answer all of these questions, and by the way guys, make sure that every answer to the question is different. So don't spam the same one or you'll get banned. Now with that said, once you answer like a couple dozen of these questions, you will start getting clicks to your link. And since Quora is so popular and your answers stay there forever, you won't need to do anything from there basically, and you'll be making money passively. With that said though, the best traffic source out there that I would highly recommend is this one here, the link of which I left in the description box below. As you can see, this is a 100% done for you affiliate system with free buyer traffic. Using this, you can get clicks and purchases on your link on complete autopilot with literally no work from your side. This is designed and made for beginners, as you can see, and it's a brand new tool that I've never talked about before on my channel. Now this isn't free. I do have to mention that it costs just under 20 bucks. But as a plus, you do have a 180-day money-back guarantee, which is really nice because it means you can't lose anything by just giving this a try if you have money, of course. In case you don't have any money to spare or you just don't want to risk it, then feel free to use the other traffic sources I show you, as they will still allow you to earn thousands of dollars passively nevertheless. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.